Chainlink on the daily update video. What do we got? Well, today we're going to look at Bollinger Bands as well as some other different charts. So if you like the video today, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Telegram. We have 100% free Telegram link below. Almost 700 members in there. So things I'm not posting on YouTube, sometimes I'll post extras in there. Go check it out. If you want more help than that, how I'm navigating the markets, more tips, more tricks, more helpful stuff. That's what Patreon's for. You get access to a private Telegram, more stuff in there. So check it out. Link on the daily chart with Bollinger Bands. What do Bollinger Bands do? Well, they tell you the volatility. By definition, prices that are at the top of the Bollinger Bands are pretty high, and bottom of the Bollinger Bands are pretty low. Usually 95% of price action takes place within these Bollinger Bands. So if you start to see your coin, not just Link, but any coin getting well outside of the Bollinger Bands, it's probably not going to last a whole long time before it comes back in. So it can get outside of it. It can go 10, 20, 30% outside of it on, several different days. It can even last weeks, but more often than not, it's going to come back in sooner than later. So that is your warning sign. By definition, the volatility outside of the band, it's really high. Okay, so, or low. But now what are we doing? Well, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically 5 straight days of up, even though you had a little bit of a breather, we're just having a healthy, simmer down. We're having a rest, okay? It's okay. Link is just getting its breath, and then we're ready to go again. Now, if we come back down even further, we want to look for support on the 21-day EMA. That's right here around the $22 level. So depending on when we do it, if we did it today, it'd be right there, right? But this should creep up a little bit, so day after day, just check it. We'll keep you updated on the daily. If we fall below that, you want to hold that median line. That purple line right there is the median line of the Bollinger Bands. So as you get these bounces, if you close under that median line, then the odds simply improve if you're going to test the bottom of that band. And then you can stay down here for a while, right? But even though, as I said, when you get well outside of this, usually you're going to snap back in it, right? Like a rubber band, just keeping your price action mostly within this band, as you can see, case in point there. Okay, what else we got? We got Link on the weekly chart. So bigger picture, right? Uptrend since forever. Okay, Link is basically just trended up. Okay, so most people that are frustrated with Link tended to buy Link, up at these levels. Plain and simple. Nobody's frustrated with Link that bought Link under $1. I promise. Okay. The people that are say Link never does anything, or the people that have purchased Link in these areas. So if that's you, it's okay. Link will bail you out in the not so distant future. It's okay. The higher you buy, if you buy at all-time highs, that's okay. You're just going to have to be more patient than most people. If you're buying when nobody else wants it, then you're usually okay. If you're buying when everyone wants it, then usually that's where the problems ensue. And you have to be more patient and wait longer to, come out of your hole, so to speak. So what do we have to look at? Well, this is the 21-week EMA in the yellow and your 8-week SMA, simple moving average, in the blue. Usually when coins get super bullish, they like to hold the blue line versus the yellow. When you get really, these big price pumps, a lot of coins, not just Link, any coin, usually has a pull. It gets so far away from the 21-week that it flips to like super bullish, I like to say. So when that happens, usually the 8-week SMA will start to hold. So you want that not only on top, but separate, a good way separate. As you can see back in here, when Link was, putting in the big boy moves, the pullbacks came right to that 8-week SMA. So just for future reference, you want to keep that on top. Right now, we don't have it on top, but we will get it back up there on the next handful of weeks if price action can continue to the upside. So keep an eye on that and know that when we get bullish again, and you can use this on any coin, like I said, look at when you get these bigger moves and you flip the Super Bowl, 8-week SMA tends to be a good point to either load up more or be confident that you're getting ready to move back toward the upside. So little tidbits of information there. The 5-day Gaussian channel, what do we got now? Well, we just closed this candle yesterday, and we have a new 5-day channel, 5-day Gaussian candle in the channel today. So we're at $24 currently. That median line is right at that 25.80-ish level. We unfortunately closed under it, so we have another week or 5-day candle to battle it. Once we close above this, that will increase our odds of being able to go test the top of the channel, which is that elusive, $34, $35 level. That's, a big level on multiple daily charts, weekly charts for Chainlink against USD. So that's what we want to see this week, plain and simple. Over the next 4 days, 8 hours, we need to close up here above 2580, and then the odds will improve for Link to continue this uptrend back to the macro bullish scale. All right, crypto fear and greed index. We're at extreme fear. Not only extreme fear, but we're the lowest we've been in some time. Let's go look at the chart. So we just broke even our lowest lows, 16. So that just increases the odds of us hanging around these kind of lowish 40s levels for Bitcoin for the next several days, plain and simple. That's what it says. So is this a good time to be selling and panicking? No. Usually the times that you want to be selling, you shouldn't want to sell. And the times that you want to sell, you shouldn't be selling. The times that you want to buy, you probably shouldn't be buying. And the times that you should be buying, you probably don't want to. Like now, do you want to buy? Do you want to buy? Probably not. But is this the time you probably should be buying? Probably. Should be selling? Okay. Hopefully that's clear as dart. Clear as mud. All right. Don't be this guy. All right. Quote of the day. There's little that can withstand a man who can conquer himself. What does that mean? Your brain. If you can, your brain is often your best friend or your worst enemy. Conquer your mind and you can conquer anything. Wipe your tears. Car of the day is the same car as yesterday. It deserves a double day. It's that good. It's my favorite car under $1 million, plain and simple. Okay. So unfortunately it is up there. So my favorite, reality supercar, we should all know 720S by now, McLaren. Above that, this is more than double the price of McLaren. So this will be the next one. Lamborghini Aventador SV. Super limited to only 600 in the world. There's one of them. You get to see it today. I love the design. I can't get over it. Love how the wing integrates into the rear spoiler and the diffuser. It's just the coolest piece of architecture I've ever seen on a car under $1 million. Plain and simple, fight me. All right, that's it. I'll see you on the next one. That's Link on your daily update. Congratulations for being alive.